Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to generate a random MAC address of your Samsung Galaxy A26. Okay, so currently we are on the IMEI.info page. You can see the link right in here. And now in this bar, all we need to do is to type our IMEI number. Also, if you don't know how to check it, there's a video on our channel when I'm showing you all options on the side of your Samsung Galaxy A26, and then I'm also showing how to check the IMEI number. Okay, so now once it's done, all we need to do is to click on this blue button, check IMEI. Okay, now as you can see, we have our phone. As we scroll down, you can read the basic information about our phone. You can also expand information, and if you are interested in the full device specification, simply click on this white button right in here. Okay, but we need to scroll down a little bit until we find this option, MAC address generator. So now let's click on it. And now right in here, we need to type the MAC address of our phone. Also, if you don't know how to check it, you can click on right in here, check how to find the MAC address in your device. In here you have the instructions for Android, also the iPhone, Windows, Mac OS, and the Ubuntu. And also on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you the previous option, which is MAC address check, and then I'm showing there how to check the MAC address manually. So if you want, you can check this video. Okay, but let's get into the MAC address generator, and now let's type our MAC address. And now let's click on this blue button, generate random MAC address. Now the process has started. As you can see, we need to wait a little bit. And now we have our results. So below we have our MAC address, the company name, the company address, the country flag, the OUI, is it private, border left, border right, assignment block size, data create and data update, and the 10 random MAC addresses. You can copy each one of them by clicking on this icon right here on the right side of the number, this one. And also, if you want, you can copy all of them by clicking this white button, copy all MACs. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.